chance.
Replenishment. Ons woensdag.
When I'm in the wind. Welcome to the business lounge chat Kiko and Kateko.
Han.
Not the blessers, though. It's blessed.
But that's say amen.
I'm in Christian church.
Hey, I work at time. It's not playing.
I know.
After all, this is a business show.
So who owned the masters of our show? Trey?
Honestly, I even on you. I think we need to tell many more to say, don't congratulate us yet. Just say congratulations in future. God gave us something special. You know, Congo is the richest country in the entire world.
Multiple minerals.
But but the poorest.
Yeah.
No, Trump is a nyaupe guy who happens to find himself in a space.
No. Abraham Risol. You must go home, Chief. Me.
Breaking news, Trey. The white man has gone.
Good evening once again. My name is Zipporah Sakhabetla. I work for a non-profit organization called Junior Achievement South Africa. This week is the Global Money Week. And the theme is think before you follow. They are not all from the same family background. Some of us are from middle, some of us are from high, while some of us are from lower standards.
Don't have enough success stories for Robert Oban.
I actually have more success stories.
Good evening, Maritz.
Okay, so retla kopa 2 hours next time. Let's go.
Hey, so hlangana emathuneni.
When you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care. I am. And I don't need you to make me feel like I am. I'm going to set this standard, and I'm going to live by this standard. And I'm not going to let anybody come into my life, not even be a business partner, not be a marriage partner, not be a girlfriend, boyfriend, and pull me down to where you are.
I mean my radio idol, or my role model radio, Tipo Tyler is going to be calling it the Replenishment Wednesday. Damn, dog. Good evening, gents.
Imagine.
What a way to start the show, man.
Replenishment. Ons woensdag.
What a way to start a show.
Yeah, man. That is why I said you must open, man. Because I saw Umomo Yeng.
Yeah.
When I'm in the wind. Damn, man. Welcome to the business lounge, Chantel Kiko and Kateko. So, Chancel, it's a very easy name. What does Kiko mean, bro?
It's Kihomuditwe.
Yeah, what, like they shut you up? They said Tula.
No. My grandmother said,
Tula sis.
Man. Man, she was tutuzile, something like that.
Oh, the dudus are there.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mkateko's blessings.
Yeah, but it was blessings, you know.
Man.
Not the blessers, though. It's blessings.
Hey, you want to be blessed?
What's it, not bless us?
You might be a blessed. Damn, girl. I miss. You know. Sometimes I miss. I think we need to negotiate our contract better.
No, let's wait for the 1st of the 1st of what's this?
April.
Of April, yeah.
Yeah, I think we need.
Pela, as we're sitting now, we don't
might
know.
be fired.
We don't know if we've got a job or not, you know. And I think sometimes we misbehave. And management will call you the following day and say, you forgot, Chief. We are here because the mandate is talk business.
Hey. No, I think today's show is blessed, you know. We opened it. Come on, yeah.
Like I just need people to internalize that song.
But
we believe that those that leave us, we're gonna meet them elsewhere.
Yeah.
And then in terms of what we can see, Runara Lebato,
Yeah.
Kimabik,
Yes.
because there will be file.
Yes.
And then khona le scripture ko Bible se sa re ba tla tsoga mo mabitleng.
Amen.
One day. Yeah.
Ay, say amen.
Oh,
I must
man.
I must start taking tithe here. I must start taking
Hey, Bona, give me gentle.
Hey,
You know,
I can imagine
I'm quoting scriptures, guys.
you know what's
You
worse?
guys don't take me serious.
You know what's worse? Kejo?
Pyramid Christian Church.
PCC. Pyramid Christian Church.
Bona,
Building.
Bona, Muruti gentle. First day, I work at tight. It's not playing.
I know.
After all, this is a business show.
I
It's not a
know.
business-
I know the economic value.
The song.
The song,
It's a very, very old song.
like, okay, so I want. That's what I want to talk about from a
Yes.
business point of view, right?
I want us to
This
talk about
song
that
is
from a
very
business
old.
point of view.
I think this song is what, like 20. How old is this song? Titi, can you Google that? T is our producer. So last time you saw our camera guy,
Yeah.
you'll wait
Remember him?
You'll wait so many years to see our producer. Hey,
Hey, it's gonna be too firing.
hey,
Yeah.
mangampocha, mangampochisa kaloku.
Yeah, just people are pushing out there.
Hey, people are poaching.
People are pushing. Anything related to you, my man.
Setse gore ba poche bana ba ga le mosadi.
Anything related to Gentle Mashopan, I poach.
Aye, they
I think
tell you.
I should start going around and say I'm Gentle's friend.
2001. So how many
done
years? How many years now? 24 years
Oh,
old.
24 years.
Yeah, 24 years.
24 years, right?
Like, okay, like 24 years old. Legally, in South Africa, you start having sex car 18 years old. Legally. Motho 24 years old. Only how many boyfriends and exes?
Yeah, man. So I was saying now the business side of it. Look
Of
at now
eating. What is it?
the song.
Oh, the
Go
song.
TikTok now.
Oh.
Remember the song is now trending, and TikTok is paying money when your song is trending on its views. So you can imagine
They're not getting anything. That's the
not getting
sad
anything.
part. Yeah,
And
and it's
they
owned by Sony.
Oh, is it?
They're getting none, zero.
That's like.
And this is the creator. This is the creative. I mean, like the guy that speaks in the front. They're getting zero, dog. Zero, none.
So I'm sitting here excited, thinking they're getting something.
They're not getting anything.
anything.
That's why we need to own our intellectual properties as black people.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Hey.
I
That,
mean,
I mean, 2001, all you needed was to go to a studio and then record, and then the guys owns the masters, bruh. This is the masters paying, dog. Nobody. Lusanda Special Group doesn't own that thing.
yes, like.
So they're not being paid.
Amen.
Oh,
And then now that Sony sold, or whoever, I'm not sure which Sony was. Check which the label was, the record label. Whichever the record label sold, but probably Sony, man. Now, it's paying influencers to make sure that it goes.
So
it
who
trends.
owned the masters of our show? Trey?
Chief.
Because one day we're gonna be trending for things he's saying.
Chief.
One day we're gonna be trending and start making money from YouTube. So
I
who's
own everything. I own everything. And when I even own you. I own everything. Like trainer. Like Trey's friends. Trey's friends were saying, give us a copy. We wanna sue Gentle, right? The day you're gonna be sued, Trey, it's when you release these things elsewhere, other than the platform that we gave you right to release them at.
yeah.
No, it's got friends, man, like Ghost Carrying. I don't know if it's a star. Ghost Carrying, the three friends.
All right.
Moriti. Mara Moriti is calm, man.
No,
I think Moriti is calm. You can't call them Moriti because
I was saying, when we move to our new office, by the way, we'll have them written.
oh man.
New things.
Bruh.
Kalo di one,
It's about
Bruh, we're dropping- dropping
I can't be myself, man.
No,
Can't be myself.
I got some messages. I think checking that phone. I think you got some messages from BMW begging us to come and take 4 more BMWs next week. I think, and it's like we like okay. I think we need to tell many more to say. Don't congratulate us yet. Just say congratulations in future. Like every year. Oh, are they there?
Bare noga itsetse.
Mare noga itsetse.
Yarr.
Noga itsetse di nogana.
Ah,
Bare one day di tla lomana.
It's a dragon. It's a dragon den. But let's talk about that. Why do, as black people, when other people are making it and then you have to reduce it to snake? If we do noga, why usailateli on noga?
Our vice re go te re baile ro. Go baileng ya go te.
Ash. I think ke taba ya mindset.
Ngati go you want the snake.
Do you understand?
I
I can plug you.
I'm the snake. Me not self.
You better believe him. Hey guys.
So on a serious note, like this thing, it's mental. We need therapy. As young
And it's deterring a lot of people from wanting to succeed because they make poverty look like it's a normal state. As black people, you know, Africa and South Africa, to be specific, no? Is the only country that had never moved where God put it. All the countries have moved, like in terms of the shifting, in terms of the ocean. You know, Madagascar was tied to us and it moved, right? Now, South Africa is the only country that had never moved. And God gave us something special. It's like now, talking to a guy in Congo. You know, Congo is the richest country in the entire world.
Hey, those guys have multiple minerals.
But but the poorest. Now, because we need more leaders like Ibrahim Toror.
Hey, that guy. Hey,
like we need like they invited him in the Oval House. They said hi, and this
And this up.
like, keep your thing, bro.
It was not sure.
I'll keep mine.
It was not sure.
No, it was sure.
Yo, because you know what, ne? Speaking of the Oval House, Trump is not the serious guy.
Trump is some lipara, like Trump is some nyaupe guy who happens to find himself in a space that he doesn't deserve to be in.
But that guy doesn't care, doesn't work according to the book. No. Abraham Risol, you must go home, chief.
I don't know, we're banning you.
Yeah. So, barke persona non grata.
It means anyone else that sees you after the time that they gave you, they can arrest you,
Yeah,
kill
you
you,
can
and
be
do
arrested.
whatever that they want to do.
Hey, they go you go Rikers Island, they go America.
So Ibrahim ki the ambassador of South
The
Africa
ambassador
in the United States.
Hey.
And now they're up in arms that we want to rename Santin Drive to what's that a Palestinian lady that a woman that successfully hijacked an American airplane.
I've heard
Can you Google that, T? Say
that.
the renaming of Satin Drive, and then it will give you the name of the lady that we are renaming. And I just wish we have got balls.
It's a proposal. Mar, do you think we should go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ambassador US via chief.
That guy has already left.
No, the one that they're gonna bring. We say no, you're not welcome. Can we just stand like run a little Bosnian as a country? Like you know, like these are the times where I miss Jacobs. Get like it's a Zoom.
Honorable President. Honorable President.
You know, Jacob was gonna say, okay.
Kwaza.
How Basenza so?
But singers again. We don't want you.
That's Abahambe.
Bahambe man. Abahambe. Sila mhlaba wethu.
Hey, Mara, you know this thing it's just been embarrassing, man. Born as a whole ambassador, in a country, born Bella that time, you have blue lights, chief.
You know what's the ambassador, guys? It's the president of a country in another country.
No consultations, no processes
Tweets, like
ever
X.
followed.
They put it on X.
Hey, they put it on X, but no, imagine, Marai.
What's the name of the lady? Leila Khaled.
Hey, Leila
So,
Khaled, yeah.
a brief history about Leila Khaled. The proposal to rename Santin Drive to Leila Khaled Drive has sparked significant controversy and demonstrations. Leila Khaled is a Palestinian activist known for her involvement For involvement in a plane hijacking in 1969 and 1970 as a member of a popular Front Liberation of Palestine. The initiative to rename the street has expressed solidarity with Palestine. And I know the sorry. So like maybe we need a gospel song. Like the devil is attacking. Now, the Saturn Drive is where the US is there opposite so the USA embassy is opposite the Discovery building there.
Yeah.
What can we do with that thing? Like, it's a strip club.
You mean?
Abatsamai.
Okay, yeah. Let's tone down the anger, no, ne?
No, we're not angry. We're just considering other business opportunities to use for the embassy, for the USA embassy. And then
Have you seen that thing? Ne? It
Look at
looks
that thing.
very security,
Hey!
very tight there. It looks very, very nice.
imagine now, man. No, we'll make it more no phone, no nothing. Like you enter there, you don't go out. Remember during COVID,
Yeah.
you get into those illegal clubs that were operating. But I have phone. I have 6 in the morning. Imagine,
Usaina in karutsena mo busoli.
imagine, like how tsena ka go USA embassy, go fa locker phone ya go ifa.
Hey,
Re tshwara key.
plus it's high security. So
High
everything
security.
is possible there.
And it's a strip club. It's like something nice. Something that can generate revenue.
Keho is crying. Keho wants to talk about the CEOs here.
I talk about the CEOs, guys.
Okay, the budget allocation in Northwest. Chats.
Oh,
I
budget.
was seeking into. Yeah, they give a 55.7 billion.
Oh,
Mohai.
Makabana ka Tambo.
That's a lot of money.
Amakabisto,
Yes,
Akatambisto.
2026, she got allocated 55.7 billion. Talk about the focus area in Mkateko.
Ay. Bona economic revitalization, bona bo fiscal prudence. Bona when you're talking about
What is fiscal
SAS,
prudence? Come on, guys. You guys must stop talking this gimmicks.
ke business school, ke business mo, ke
But this is not
business
business
show,
school,
ke
this is
business show.
This is a rural business show. What is fiscal prudence?
Bona, so fiscal is ke taba ya gore the amount of money that always gets secured from the government budget, and looking specifically go Northwest.
Wabona ba re ke allocation eh. Wabona ele ya motlazela ba re Department of Public Works and Roads. But major portion allocated to the infrastructure. Aba ba tle you maqabana bo no. Ungayithethe.
This one is ours.
This one
We are gonna
we're
give
going
to
into-
Comrade Mashopani.
we're going into hi. Even now, I must announce my resignation from any political affiliation with anyone.
Mara guys, we are a social state. Nah.
Can I
Imagine.
disturb the show a bit?
Okay.
Breaking news, Trey. The white man has gone.
What?
And it's got nothing, for the first time, trainer, it's got nothing to do with me.
What is this now?
We were celebrating. Yeah, I saw the bomb in our video. Boom.
Yes.
Just like that.
Okay. Do you care to tell the people
What happened? Sfunuwas. What happened?
who rescinded my decision? You know, like you can be a CEO of a company, and people they overturn your decisions.
I agree. You know.
No, this is not fair. Man. It's not fair.
Guys.
Not even a probation.
I wanted to agree that we are honest and open. So last week we celebrated. So we give before we get
We're
a guest in.
celebrating.
Yeah, we are celebrating. We had a Cape Townian. We introduced, and when he left, he said he's left. So
You need God.
so today we find-
Hey man, welcome to the Business Lounge with Gentleman people. I think as a Business Lounge I think we're the realest radio. I think we're the radio that UFM want to listen to.
Yo, congratulations to Black Jesus.
Black
My
Jesus,
boy.
So boy, Black
Big
Jesus.
drive, man. Congratulations to Black
got
Munyama, the Black Jesus
It's
himself.
got drive show.
Congratulations, my boy.
At Radio
On the other one.
That thing.
That other one.
Yeah, the other
No,
one.
but it's a cool radio station.
Yeah, man.
The UFM. Well, shout out to UFM.
Yeah, shout out.
Why must brands beef? Why can't we show each other love? Like, shout out to whoever's doing the business show now.
Yeah.
That only 3 people are listening from that side of UFM. We know. We'll call them next week, and then at least they will get more listeners.
Mararona are doing good. 'Cause
No,
we know
no.
Tani. Shout out to Tani.
Tani Julieta.
Hey, Vatum.
Okay, all the way from where?
No, you know.
No.
So we're not.
Hey guys. We're gonna have
Okay,
our
guys,
guests.
just one more, ne?
Yeah.
Before that.
I don't know, you know.
Bona, speaking of black businesses and all of that, so we need to
man.
celebrate, man. We need to celebrate. Kenny Fihla, the new CEO of Absa. Bona, ne? But Absa ke revolving door. People come there, people.
But I think Ubrakeni,
Uh,
has been deputizing ordering.
Sim.
Sim. Not only Sim, even before Sim came.
He's been there
He's
for.
been there for a long time.
So is the right fit, man.
It's the right fit.
I mean,
and it's got how many? I mean, like it's been 18 years. At Standard Bank.
yeah. So and obviously we know Sim has been doing very well.
But
And-
Sim should, you know the problem I'm starting to have.
Mm.
A good dancer knows when to leave.
Yeah.
So Sim is starting to think that it's his business.
Mm.
And it's gonna live with controversy. Like, and then you know what is the problem with that? Like, if Sim can leave Standard Bank now, he's gonna earn a lot of board positions. And then they just lay low there.
Mara, how much you make on a bot?
No matter how much he has made now, with the provisions of the of the shares.
Yeah.
Don't be so greedy that you degrade yourself.
Yeah.
I think whoever's advising Sim, or his mentor, his coach, is not doing a good job.
He must just
Because
listen to Radio Mafis.
He must listen to the Mafisa. He must just leave. I think this is the time. You leave when you're at your peak, ne?
Yeah.
And then you will never be tempted. And then you're serving in 10 boards. 10 boards. One board, they give you 350K for attendance for the year. So if you got 10, you got 3.5
And
million.
plus advisor rule.
You got advisor, you got a lot of things. And you can even go to be a professor in some university.
Harvard.
An associate professor.
Harvard.
I think Sim must leave. Sim, you have been dancing too much in that floor.
So get out.
Shout out to she.
Shout out to
No, you must.
Shout out to.
And I think also for other people that you are in a corporate, it's not a business, and then know when to leave, man. Leave whilst you have your dignity intact. What if next year there is a scandal that hits Standard Bank? I bet you're as good as your last results.
No. It definitely works.
And
like
then
that.
now, if he could have left, like on the last, I was expecting him to leave on the last
financial year.
year when he was announcing the results, to be saying no. We're
So
leaving.
how many years has he been CEO right now?
I mean, check T. How many years has Sim been there?
Sim Chabalala.
Sim
CEO
Chabalala,
of
Standard Bank CEO. How long? I think he danced enough. And the fact that you are
does he
playing.
look tired?
No, you don't have to look tired. No, you don't have to look tired. You have to understand. You just have to understand that, you have to protect your brand.
Integrity. No, I
Your
agree.
brand.
I agree.
And then you become and advance. Like, how dilo di sanyega, but no, we can go and call him again.
Hey,
If the sanyega only thing,
hey,
they'll never come and call you.
Yeah, no, definitely. I mean, it's a great point highlighted. But there's another one here about the new law that we quickly looked at that can potentially affect, the cannabis business. They're saying, Business Tech is saying there's a potential that there will be about 1,800 businesses that can potentially close their doors if the National Health Department of Health has gazetted.
And the health minister, Oprah Aaron Motsoaledi, is very aggressive with these things. Once he believes on something, I think Aaron Motsoaledi is a pit bull. Once he bites on something, bro,
He wants to implement, he doesn't leave.
he never let go.
Eish.
So 2017 to now, it's how many years? It's like 8 years.
Yeah.
I think you have danced enough.
Yeah.
As a CEO of a company for 8 years.
Yeah, no.
I
agree.
think it's enough dance, man.
I agree. But no, Barry, what is it? Old Mutual is starting a new bank. Maybe you can go and start there,
But Old Mutual had, do you know how Old Mutual got to own stake at Nedbank?
How did that come about?
So in economics and finance,
Yeah.
there is that thing of buying a business to save it.
Oh,
You don't buy it. What is it called? UMBA person? Opalake fresher.
But what do you mean? Buying equity or?
Yeah, like you buy equity in a business in order to save it.
Oh yeah,
There's
yeah,
a concept
yeah,
there.
yeah. Business rescue
Yeah, not
or
business
something
rescue.
like that.
Like like in order to avoid it going into business rescue, another company will buy shares,
Hey.
not for benefit, but to make sure that that company survives. So that's how Nedbank, like Old Mutual, got to
became
own a stake in Nedbank.
Nedbank.
And then you've got an agreement to say, after you guys have got your things in order, I will.
You pay back the
You
money.
give me back my money,
Hey.
and then you take your thing. Think about that. If VBS was given such a thing,
No, VBS never had a chance like that.
if Itala was given such a thing, like as black people, Joe, like we're just gonna be reduced to consumers in this thing. But anyway, we've got our guests tonight. Like I think this is the lightest part of my life. So after the ad break, we're gonna be introducing our guests, and it's gonna be a nice show, man. We're capable. Oh man, Rustenberg.
Shout out to Charles Trey, man. Shout out to Charles Trey.
man.
My brother. Good visuals,
Like
man.
just Trey's things are just. I can't wait for tomorrow's one. And so tomorrow we're dropping the shadow code.
Yes.
But anyway, good evening, Mawaka. Welcome back to the to Radio Mafisa. You were here last week, but you're not here in your you're here as a person of Kapileban. Now you are back to talk to us because I think we need to make her a regular, man.
Yeah.
I think you fit directly to what you wanna do as the business lounge mom, or like creating entrepreneurs and creating them from a school environment. And then remember, Tandy, we once said, Cedar, when it was Cedar or Sifa there, with the entrepreneurship in schools. I wonder how can such program be synced to this in order to fund this, because money is there. But anyway, Eric Skauzwa, your limelight. Good evening. Introduce yourself to what it's going.
Good evening once again. My name is Zipporah Sakhabetla. I work for a non-profit organization called Junior Achievement South Africa, in short, JA South Africa. Our organization helps young people to build important skills. We run fun and practical business programs whereby individuals or learners learn about money, the business, and the working world, or even starting their entrepreneurial journeys. And our goal is to ensure that these young people get to feel confident, think creatively,
Yeah.
as well as make a difference in their communities. Talking about learning about money, this week is Global Money Week. And the theme
And
for
that ain't dribula. Zaka. Hey.
botlhoko, you end up o sena sepe but o bereka a monthly based thing. And then after getting your salary, after 7 days or 3 days, when you go back, you have nothing.
No, I once said with Floyd, and I think we spoke about it, yeah, Floyd Chibambo. So he's a good friend of mine. So once said, and then he demonstrated to me how, like, they had a meeting with the Reserve Bank, and then they looked at specific black people, the day you get paid, and how quick the money gets back to your payer,
Yeah.
the white money, like it takes 3 days. So you'll get paid, and then like, and even gender.
Yes,
You will start in a grocery shop
Yeah.
owned by
Groceries.
the white monopoly capital. You pay that. So the first start is those that you don't go pay, they take your bond, your car, and your credit card. Those ones they will. But I tell Antoine before when you wake up. Now when you wake up, you are left with whatever that they left for you. You
Which is nothing.
Which is nothing. You go to ShopRite, you go to Pick and Pay, you go to Boxer, whichever retailer you go to. And then you'll spend that money, and then it's done. The only money that you're going to be left with, if you've got a car, Kishelta Petrol, which is still going to go to Shell, BP, and all those guys. And then the last week of the month, people don't have petrol money to go to work. And it's a real thing. And we don't own those like Maradi my own charity. Like so he showed me a move, mama. Like, and then if you are saying it's a money week,
Global week, yeah.
what conversations are you guys having with the kids at school? Because Ronaldo to face, you can't teach an old dog, right? thing. Like Ronaldo to face, like why we are done. Let's focus on those ones. Go try some months.
Ka Setswana ba re le ojwa le sa le metsi.
Like, key the conversation le bana ba rona in terms of programs that can be interactive to this thing.
Okay. Like I said, this week is the Global Money Week.
Yeah.
And the theme is think before you follow. We are actually saying no one is old enough to learn about money. We can all learn how to budget, how to save, how to make smart money decisions. Saying that this will help us avoid scams that we find ourselves in. We find ourselves in scams not because we are stupid, but because we lack information or knowledge about money management.
Hey, I read about it on X today. Love scam.
Aibo.
Dr. Mamang, Mamu scamile Dr. Mang?
Dr. Mang 3.
Doctor, no, like there's a doctor. Regeti muna Mercedes, regeti kolo yanta ya tula, kolo weri ya tula. And then after that, I read another one. There is a lady that was scammed 325,000 li a fortune. Copy tour. The scams are there. The money scams are there.
there.
So, I know, you want to incorporate it in a broader picture. But I wanted to zoom into Barnabas School because that's where you work mostly with. So that we can understand as parents. Because you can't teach me about a ball, like a soccer ball, if I've never seen one.
Yeah.
King, what is it that we must do as parents to expose our children to money so that when you speak about it, they know what
They know.
Because, like, I cannot carry, and no saving. Like, no, how I feel 10 rand, abampa. They can't give me.
Yeah.
Because this is our daily life in rural areas. This is what we're faced with. How do we now teach finances in that structure? So I'm depending on my grandmother. She can't afford to give me care, but she can afford to buy food, and then I prepare a scaftini and I take that scaftini.
Yes,
How do I translate that scaftini to be money? So that I understand when you're speaking about carry, that, because I think the disconnect is about that, because you can't teach me about something that I don't know. How are you as JAS, like, bridging that gap?
Okay. In primary schools, we have a program called JA More Than Money. It teaches young kids about how to save, how to earn, how to spend wisely, and then how to share. Because we are not all from the same family backgrounds. Some of us are from middle, some of us are from high, while some of us are from lower standards. So in this program, we give them money boxes. After teaching them what is money, how to spend money, how to earn money. Because when we say they can earn money, we are telling them to actually think of something that they can do based on their talents, the skills that they have. They know how to clean the house. They can even charge their parents 5 rand for cleaning that house. Now that becomes their earnings. And then from the 5 rand that they got, they can save 2 rand and spend 3 rand. 2 rands that goes into their money box that we have given them during the program. And then they would write down a target of how much money they think they can save in a week. And then once they have reached their target in a week, they continue to a month. And then in a month, they look at how much money they have made. And then they open bank accounts to save that money, because now it's going to earn interest for them, unlike when it was in their money box. Now, and then the other thing that we teach the younger learners is that even when they borrow their parents' money from their money boxes, they should charge interest. Because now,
And then my mom say, "Go khulisize."
yeah,
Ke interest ya soma.
which is wrong. They are taking their children's money to use them for their own benefit. Now, when they bring back the money, they should bring
Should
it
come with interest.
with
No,
interest.
so they must declare their parents as bad debtors. Like, you are bad. They must blacklist them.
But they can't do that.
No. And they must show, Mama, you can't pay. And then you are a bad. Like, you fall under this category. Hey, and your mom,
Bad payers.
and your mom will be very angry because she's a bad payer at gas. Like,
You know, when we give them these money boxes, we liaise with their parents because we want to make sure that these kids do have a savings account at the end.
But my question, how is the support from parents in terms of me as a parent?
Especially the parents from the Kasi.
Apa nka tswa ke le korokolotong wa tsi like o tlo mbotsa ngwana ka mbotsa gore no mama you need to pay me 13% go la ke tšhelete mang. How is the support, and then how can we as parents listening now support our children in this money journey and understanding money?
Are we talking about the younger children in the primary school, or are we talking about
Throughout.
but
I've got a child in a younger school or in a high school. But I'm saying, as a parent, what is it that I must do in order to support these initiatives that are coming from school? Because I think we play a very big role as batsadi.
Yeah.
And then, korona batsadi ba bangata ba mamelang show. King se ba ka setsang gore akere as motsadi you create an environment akere.
Yeah.
It's a ground for a child to thrive in something, what is it that I must do as a Mutsari to be not to feel attacked?
Yeah.
Because rakolot, man.
Tse ding tse thata.
Bona,
Tse di
maybe,
thibang letsatsi.
maybe in answering that, ne, he highlighted from the young children to the older ones.
Yeah.
What you were explaining, it's easier
For the young
for the young ones, the
Yeah.
primary school ones.
Yes.
And then when we talk about high school students or scholars, how do you differentiate in the context of social media these days? Also in this show, we're talking about the stigma of black people making it, what, all of that. How do you navigate beyond that aspect to say, being successful as a black person doesn't mean certain things? Or what stories are you hearing from Bona as you engage with these young minds?
Okay, let me first go back to the parent thing with the younger child. We encourage parents that if a child says, I want to save for a certain item, they must be able to assess that item that their kids want to save for. For example, I want to save for a smartphone.
Yeah.
Now they must be able to assist the learner to save for that smartphone. If the learner is going to use the smartphone for the school purposes, not for bad things. Yeah. And then they must help that child to contribute towards the saving in that box, and then making sure that they open bank accounts for those kids so that their money can be saved properly and can increase over time. And then for the older students, we have a program called Company Program, whereby we incorporate My Money Business and business into one program, whereby they will learn how to make money, how to earn, how to raise a startup capital for their own businesses, using their own pocket money or the money that they got from their parents. And then we have an entrepreneurship day, whereby all these kids buy the raw materials for whatever it is that they want to create for that week, just to raise money for the company that they want to start together as a business.
I think you must do that for other people like Both Gentle, so to create startup capital. Mom, I want us to talk also about the success stories that we have. I mean, you brought two girls here who are brilliant. So about your successful
6
stories.
minutes to have that conversation. Only 6 minutes. And also, Mama will expand in terms of there might be a principal, there might be a circuit director listening to this, and then they want to get hold of you. So at the end, we will want you to give us but can it
Success
gloat?
stories.
Can it gloat? Can I know the
Okay.
Flex.
I joined Junior Achievement Card 2007
Yes.
as a facilitator. And based on the work that I produced or the performance that I produced, I became the agent for Northwest in 2010. And then the same year, I received an award for
One star.
for the agent of the year.
Yeah.
And I was just a newcomer. Yeah. And then in 2013, I managed to take 4 students from JM Nzime to Swaziland to compete on the national, on the international stage.
And I'm sure they won.
They didn't win.
Eswatini.
They didn't win. Basically because it was our first year. We were not clued up of what is happening there.
But Mom, is there another child now that you have seen, and now they're an entrepreneur?
Yes, there are.
Clued about them.
And then I have Jabu Hlongwane Kochaneng, who was part of our Youth Enterprise Development Program, and then she's running a internet cafe.
Jay, man. So, T, we want Jabu next week. You'll get my mama will give you the numbers. And I want all your kids to come. Because, like, what do we don't have, mama, ne? Get the success stories, Lena, ke tlamone, ke kgolosa ke kuku. Is it possible for me? We need, as black people, we need to dream.
Yeah.
And dream, the dreams are being available. All we hear is white people doing all these things. And if anyone feel offended about it, it's fine. But we don't have enough success stories for number 2 ones. Because our conditions are different. So, in closing, ma'am, how do...
I actually have more success stories.
Oh, give me 3. Give me
Yeah,
3.
we've got 2 minutes left.
Okay.
2 minutes
I have
left.
Fiela Solutions in Lidach, who are also part of our JA program.
Okay.
They are still in business. They are running a cleaning material company. They produce for themselves.
Okay.
And then we have Aquapure, which was the national winner in 2022, which we took to Nigeria. And they are still running their business while they are
Igwe.
in college. Yes. And I took them to Kenya in 2023 because they were invited to speak in the minister's breakfast.
So can you have a commitment with you? I think for this month or the next month, let's run about these success stories. So we can have all those entrepreneurs to come at Renoma Visa. They will be able to be exposed more. So you'll have a discussion with Tandekile, and I will slot them in.
Yeah.
And then all like for the up until all of them are depleted. So
Okay.
we can give that.
I think
slot to them.
officially we are starting a very great relationship as the Business Lounge with JASA,
JA South Africa.
JA South Africa.
JAS.
JASA.
JA South Africa,
Yes.
not JAS.
Yes. Ooh, sorry. Yes. We
Junior
are,
Achievement South Africa.
yeah, we are
Yes.
building a healthy relationship in regards to coming as a media partner for the kids to be telling their stories, because they are winning Baleko sighting, they're inspiring Baleko sighting, but no one knows about them. With us, our commitment is to showcase them to the community and say, hey, we've got kids called Lidara who's running Fiela. They do 1, 2, 3, 4. Right.
I think in closing, Mama, how do people get the hold of you?
You
That's
can
just a-
find us on www.jasouthafrica.org. That's our website, where you can find all our social media handles, Twitter, Facebook, and all that. And I'm the agent for JA South Africa. They can contact me on 082-484-7673.
082-484-7673.
Yes.
Yo, ke sa le botlhale mos. Yo, ke utlwe ga e one. Le nna ne ke tlo nna junior what. No, thank you so much, Mama. And you're going to become a furniture here. And you're going to talk about these kids. And I think we need to also have an ad running, encouraging people to, Tandekile will take that through so that we can make enough noise about this. Because Radio Mafisa has got a lot of listeners. I want us to go to a rural area. As you guys, and sponsored by Pyramid and Gentleman Chopin Foundation, we go to a rural area and we'll cultivate this spirit of entrepreneurship. I think we'll be winning.
Yeah, I think I will also invite you on our social equity programs,
Yeah.
where we have about 100 learners sit in together for 5 days, learning about mental wellness and then incorporating that with business skills, having
Amen.
presentations whereby judges choose 3 teams from 100.
Thank you so much. Good evening, Marat Gokhaya. It's the closing of the business lounge. Like, we don't have enough time, bro.
Bagaetso re mmogo re tla kopa 2 hours next time. Let's
We'll
go.
talk about 2 hours next time. And hey, so hlangana emathuneni.
When you set your standards or you set your boundaries, people are going to say, oh, you think you're all that. I am. And I don't care. I am. And I don't need you to make me feel like I am. I'm going to set this standard, and I'm going to live by this standard. And I'm not going to let anybody come into my life, not even be a business partner, not be a marriage partner, not be a girlfriend, boyfriend, and pull me down to where you are.